There is a strong seasonal bias for the New Zealand dollar yen pair coming up. You can see that over the last 10 years, between July the 14th and July the 24th, the New Zealand dollar yen pair has lost value 100% of the time. The average return has been 3.33%. There's been some significant falls in 2015 and 2019. And the maximum sort of rise within that pattern has only been 1.75%. So it is a significant seasonal pattern that we need to look for. And now, on Tuesday, 11:45 UK time, the New Zealand CPI print's coming out. Now, the RBNZ did take a more dovish tilt on their last interest rate meeting, and they said that the extent of the restraint of monetary policy, in other words, interest rate hikes, will now be tempered over time, consistent with the expected decline in inflation pressures. This is a shift. So what the RBNZ have basically said is that they're expecting to start cutting rates, and they're moving to that footing. That sent the New Zealand dollar sharply lower out of the meeting. It was covered in significant detail. I haven't got time to go into all that now, but what we have got time to go into is you can see short-term interest rate markets after that meeting quickly expected interest rate cuts to potentially come on the August 14th meeting. See, it's like a 50-50, but it's a big shift down in short-term interest rate markets. So will this mean that the New Zealand dollar yen pair finally puts in a top? Now, traders and investors often reassess their portfolios during the summer, leading to reduced risk appetite, and that can benefit the yen. And if this seasonal pattern plays out, this could be the beginning of a near-term move lower. Now, there's a lot of things that impact this. The number one thing is the Bank of Japan monetary policy and the move in US 10-year yields. So there are a number of risk factors involved with this. And of course, previous seasonal patterns don't necessarily guarantee to play out each and every year, even when they're as reliable and dependable as this one appears to be. Remember, don't just trade it, season exit, sign up here for literally thousands of more seasonal insights that are just waiting to be revealed.